nagpabugbog si Rochelle. Hayop na yun. Tawa pa ako
Lung
ng tawa pa ako
lungkot.
ng tawa. Ayun pala, hindi ko akalain na nanalo na ako.
Nalungkot na.
Wala na. Wala na, nanalo na ako. May dirty.
Wait lang, paano ba 'to? Not joinable.
Wait lang. Invite kita ulit.
Sige, sige. Wait lang, inayos ko na yung settings saglit. Jump.
Teka lang
Ayun,
naman.
pwede na 'to.
Grabe naman. Eh, na ano, ayun yung pinakaayaw ko sa lahat eh.
Yung
Hindi na, hindi na
basta
rated.
yung ano mo eh. Brightness, you can see it but they could
Parang,
see you.
parang nauto ako nun ah. No way, Jose. Ito legit na. May video na to.
Yan na yung video na.
Okay. Okay, hindi na ako magpapauto. Makakalobby. Ay, may pangalawang map pala dito. The Pass,
Oh,
the Passing.
diba? Pasig ano? Pasig.
The Pasig. Pasig River. Invite kita. Ito sayang yung ano, yung footage ng ano, no? Yung hunting. Alam yan na yan. Hindi man. Magandang
Nabali mo na.
Bala. Bago na na. Bagong kalakuhan na.
Parang nabali naman.
Invite. Ay, sorry.
Sige lang.
Wait,
Keyword
nalilapin ako.
mouse. What the fuck ba tayo?
Ay, shit.
Ito pala. Disconnected? Huh? Na-disconnect.
Hindi pa ako makapaniwala. I can't believe it. I'm flabbergasted. Grabe. Shit. First campaign mo, tas hindi na rin. Oh my God. Invite na lang kita ulit.
Sige.
Ano yun? Last map na ba yun o ano pa? Natin kahit tapusin to lahat eh.
Ay, mahirap yun.
Okay na to?
Gin yan. Ano to, Pasig?
Sino ang karakter mo?
Kahit Gino na lang yan.
Ako na si Chocolate Man.
Chocolate man.
Kasi siya yung sugar daddy. Tingnan mo, nasa kanya ang ano, ang sweet tooth.
Yeah.
Hindi siya bitter sa mga kasama.
Pasing. Anong mapuli yung pasing?
Baka saan yun? Hindi ka lang alam. Pasig River lang alam.
Pasig River dong ano.
Tapos may riverbank pa, diba? Tama. Ano yun? Tinayo sa Pasig yung ano? Escapalanade, gano'n. Hindi ko na matandaan eh. Saan?
Hey up there! You wanna let the bridge? Sorry, can't. We got wounded up here. If you can get to the other side of the bridge, we can help you get it down.
No.
Sign says there's an under the river tour. That'll get us across.
Kaya. Let's go. Teka lang. Okay, recorded.
Kill that zombie! Got something!
Paldo.
Yun. Kasi gago.
Ay.
Sorry. Di ba ito yung... Pero, ano na pansin?
Sa Pasig River.
Kasi may...
Brother.
Kusog.
Si Jackie.
Ito pa na bakit dito? Ayun. Oh. Bago. Ampas.
Thank Lord. Let's see.
Kaya po ba? Ito yung mga sa
Here you go.
Bigyan kita to.
Through this store.
Paano ng dugo?
You make sure you use this now.
Ano tayo?
Bigyan na po kami.
Dude, I hear one of them bag humpers around.
So,
Let's try upstairs.
OP.
Hey, let's search the lockers.
Ano to?
Good.
Through here.
May kasama pa na tayo.
Uy!
Oo. What's up, man?
Gago. Nagtaka ko bakit parang may iba yung pangalan ni ano. Yung isa.
Yan eh. Pro yan.
Na,
iPad Pro Max.
iPad.
Yes.
Boom.
Unless
Gago.
you want to be picking your teeth up off the floor,
Y'all get in there.
stop shooting me. Hey, don't shoot.
Magaling yan.
Kaya
Lumalaban
na,
na
boy.
expert yan.
Nakubuhat na tayo. Uy! Naka-expert ba tayo? Uy!
Back
Thank you,
this way.
boss. Salamat sa pagsali, boss.
Yeah, I hear one of them spitters.
Okay na ba Mike?
Aking kamahalan.
You?
Ikaw na nakamit ako.
Ano?
Marinig niya.
Ano na?
Let's go. Balak na nang mag-switch sa expert eh.
Alit na.
Patayan niya.
Up the stairs.
Kaya pa naman.
Let's go.
Ayun.
Ayun.
Ayun na.
Thank you, boss.
Sige ah. Process yan ah.
Okay lang.
Girls here.
Okay lang, boss. Dining the ropes.
Charger. Through this part.
Hey.
Watch out!
Dito.
Yan, magaling. Ay,
Palo lang ako. Uy.
Laser sights here.
bago pala yung kasama ko. Pero magaling na.
Magaling
Magaling bumaril. Pero hindi ko lang alam.
bumaril ng kasama.
Magaling rin bumaril na
Kasama
kasama
pala
niya.
tumira to eh.
Yung tirador.
Oh, Christ, this is more depressing than the zombies.
Ito, may ano.
Ito yung asawa mo.
Gago.
Patay ka.
Nagalit.
Pila ko yung bribe. Ay,
Patay ka na.
hindi yung...
Papatay ka buhay.
One
Akala ko
touch.
zombie lang. Akala ko zombie lang.
Gagi, pre. You make this the
Salamat sa
bride.
medkit.
Akala ko zombie lang.
Super medkit.
Pala yun.
Yeah, pero yung gamit niya. Kahit pa naman.
Tara.
Tara daw, tara. Narinig mo si Master.
Mamatay pa.
Take this.
Ramdam ko nga yung ano sound, naka-off yung sound ko.
Hindot.
Sa alit ko rin.
Tunnel around.
Crazy. Dami yun. Anong bike gusto? Ay ko.
God, bro.
Thank you, man. Daming bisita ngayon na.
Tara.
Ang ano, bumabagyo pa.
Hindi ganun talaga. Baka sa Pilipinas to. Wait. Ano, nag-adrenaline lang.
Takbo.
Thank you, man.
Thanks.
Good.
Safe room back here.
Ay, checkpoint. Hindi mabubuhay na ako.
Hi, Jeff.
Kawawa eh.
Thank you, man.
Wait. Special massage.
Sir. Tapos na po, sir.
You like that?
Yeah.
Sir,
You like that?
salamat po sa pamasko nyo.
Mag-blackout na isa.
Wala na.
We almost didn't make it.
Blackout.
Gagawin ko. Try mo mag-on mic, pre.
Wala ba dito?
Ano,
Hindi ko sure.
press C.
Ayun. Gumana.
Gana yan. Hindi niya alam nasa DC tayo.
Ha?
Hindi niya alam nasa DC tayo.
Parang push to talk. Add lang. Teka, check ko nga sa settings. Putik na yan. Ay, tutik. One minute, 5 minutes.
He has
get
arrived.
Hey, Ellis. I hear there's a stock car museum in New Orleans.
Shut up, Rochelle.
We make it to New Orleans, there's a stock car museum.
In my heart, I'm there already.
Hey, Nick,
What the
there's
fuck? Ayun.
Let's get out to the street.
Ano mo? Meron pala sa likod.
Sarap, pre. Gagi pa niya. Grabe, elevating powers. Hello. Ay, gagi. Kala ko shotgun na.
Ay, gabi din na.
Ano? I got you.
You shot me.
Yung magaling bumalag kasama ko.
Ikaw babariling ko mamaya mo.
Wag. Queen tattoos. Gusto ko sa puwet.
Man, I love a tattoo. I only have one, but I was gonna get my truck tattooed on my arm.
Ano to?
Damn zombies.
Deploy.
Go in the window.
Saan napunta yung panghil ko? Bula.
Oh shit. Buff Daddy is here.
Get ready.
Down by the pipe.
Amboy.
Diyan yan.
Kaya ko. Ayun, nakakit na. Piyakit na.
Ay, hindi tumalab sa
Awit na. Uy!
Uy, wait lang. Wait.
Okay.
Uy!
Wait lang. Uy. Wait lang.
Madam Rochelle.
Ay. Sorry. Wait lang.
Nag-i-itch na ng ano, si Wendo.
Ayan na. Si Hogan. Holy shit. Come on, man.
Ubus!
Let's talk about this, man. Hey! Grabe to ha. Construction worker ba to? Sakit. Oy, sakit mo. Aray ko.
We can do this, man.
Okay. Take 2.
Nick, tell me you ain't looking forward to this under the
Hindi
river tour.
pala.
I am not looking forward to this under the river tour.
Man, Nick, you gotta find a way to cheer your ass up. We ain't got much to look forward to.
Coach, it's a hole. Oh no, excuse me. It's
Papala na ako
a
mamaya.
street up there. Under a river.
Pinagpala ka na. Basta wag mo lang akong barilin ah.
I think that zombie's got something.
Hell no, boy.
Hindi ko nakita.
You can shoot me. I'm down. Hey, yo,
Balik na natin.
we're
Saka.
a team. Come get me. Oh, you want Ellis?
Molotov.
Thank you, hotdog.
Hey, wait a second. I gotta heal.
Now don't waste this by getting pounced on
Grabe
or
naman
something.
yun. Pangalawan yan ah.
Man, I love tattoos.
Enjoy
I
every
only
day.
have one, but I was gonna get my truck tattooed. on
I'll
my
always
arm.
heal you, no matter.
Zombies.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Grabe pa. Masahe talaga yung kampi natin. Masahe. Hey! Don't hurt
Tank again,
me.
tank again.
Tank?
Tank.
Let me see.
Make sure you use this now.
Namatsu.
Hey, let's jump down.
Let's put it.
Tangke.
Gagi, tangke na naman.
I hear a smoker.
Sargoin mo na, pre.
Yung yun, bala ka dyan.
Don't waste this time.
Uy! Uy, magkarami! Uy! 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 Ano kayo na?
Uy, sinunod tayo. Sinunod namatay.
Imposter, bro. Imposter.
Collateral damage. Magaling itong bumarin yung kasama.
It was intentional, man. I knew it.
City of Reaper.
Isa pa.
They used to have a boiled peanut festival here.
Huwag kang magtitiwala sa hotdog kaya.
You want to live? Up the stairs.
Never trust a redneck, bro.
Reloading.
It's crazy. Howdy, Potter.
This is him at its finest, bro.
Serious. Wait lang, Southern ano? Sabi mo may maraming racist daw doon.
Weapons over here.
I got that one. That one.
Son.
Hell,
Sa
I got
Southern.
most of these.
Where?
Hey. Coach keeps his secrets.
Tapos nasa South
Totoo
tayo.
yan.
I hear a hunter.
Uy, buhat niyo.
Oh,
Scripted.
Watch out!
Bayad yung pader.
Open up the doors here.
no tanks this time, I think.
Tangke natin dyan.
We safe.
Tangke.
Aray ko. Sorry.
Bitch, hit me.
Heads up!
Pwede. Ano lang yan?
Can go here, guys. You see me?
Yes, sir. Hindi na nakita
It's
yun.
magic, bro.
It's crazy.
Only pro players.
Grabe naman yan. David Blaine.
Down these. Molotov out.
Hey, don't touch my baby girl.
Cover
I'm
me,
gonna
please.
heal.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Uy.
Hey, some guns here.
Up these stairs.
Ano, may
Look
cancer na.
upstairs.
May cancer.
May TV. TV in there.
Oo, oh, yan na yan.
Help!
Grabe naman. Parang hindi yun yung nasa ads ah. Yung ads ng ano, na sigarilyo ko.
Oo nga.
Utang na ako na naman.
Pre, ikaw talaga paborito niyan.
Gusto ko yung ibalibag eh.
Huwag kang magalala. Kuha ka ng chainsaw.
Looking down.
Alright.
Wala ka para seta.
Ito bag. Big fight bomb.
Support. Grabe. Baby girl!
Oscar!
No! Got my baby girl.
Baby ko!
Oh no.
Miss ko ng baby ko!
Baby ko.
Tingnan mo.
Inaamay yung baby ko.
Uy. Uy!
Uy! May mind reader.
Miss ko na yung baby ko.
Yung bibi ko, sinasaktan yung bibi ko.
Kutsa na yan.
Sorry ah.
Ain't nothing.
Reloading.
Pipe bomb, baby.
Di talaga nagayak nun pero naiyak talaga ako.
These here zombies are
Binubugbog yung bibi ko. Dapat ako muna. Ay, gag. Sorry.
Throwing a pipe bomb.
Is that a survivor?
Ito.
Cover me for a sec. I gotta heal.
Feels here, feels.
Just
yeah.
paracetamol, pre.
Nag-get to.
First aid here.
Nakatusok na ako, pre.
First aid.
Bigyan mo.
Then,
Ain't doing too good.
pills.
Upload. Alright.
Okay. Lapit ka na sa akin, baby, ha? Hindi ako inaway kanina.
Look out!
Black Queen.
Yeah.
Jazz paddles here.
I got a plan.
Here we go. Under the rim.
Ay, gag, sorry. Uy! Gagi, shotgun yung gamit ko.
Goddamn dog.
Patay ko.
All right.
Sirag na nga si Rochelle, sinunog mo pa bro.
Overcook, man.
Better. Thanks. I owe you one.
Okay, cool.
Sinunog din na baby ko. Naging ko pang na. Nilagay, pre. Ayos ka lang ba dyan, pre? Kailangan mo ng help.
Bumubuhay pa ako, boy.
Ayun na. Marinig ka pa.
Ika na ata, uy.
Ayan, ayos yun. Kailangan mo na ng ano. Kailangan mo ng gamot, friend. Ay, sorry. Okay, barilin mo na ako.
Reloading.
Patay na. Yan, bugbugay.
Ganun, pre.
Then from 84 to 4. Spawn of 30 seconds.
Weapons over here.
Come on, girl. We ain't gonna leave you behind.
Come on,
Why
baby
is
girl.
everything historic always so goddamn filthy?
Barbecue bacon cheeseburger.
Grabbing a bile jar.
Okay.
Ayun ba daan?
Ano meron pa may daan dito?
Reloading. Hell no. Pipe bomb.
Sabi ko sa'yo po yan eh. Kahit saan sulok, pinabaril mo.
Maybe a couple rides, at least.
Watch out!
Hey! Chase this!
Ay, kagi. Gago.
Get your ass up.
Ay, gago! Ay, uy!
Goddamn!
Ubala, baby girl.
Bunga. Watch out. Shit.
Ay!
Putik.
Do this.
Pro players bro. The infected are pros.
Yes. Parang naka-versus lang eh.
That's it.
Patay ako.
Ah, may defib siya, di ba?
Oh, may
Sneaking
defib.
around.
Chest paddles here.
Bye,
Yes,
Alice.
may defib nga. Ayan na.
Wait,
Kinagihintay ka na sa kutong.
Bunga.
Gago na buhay yun.
Just dead there? Oh, man.
Yo, stop shooting.
Oh, sorry.
No problem.
What the fuck?
Isang pills ang katapat lang. So,
Sorry bro.
yung dog.
Wait, ako.
On.
Ah!
Hey, I'm reloading.
Hey! Daming dayo.
Ay, isang buto.
We cool.
Kaya pa.
This beat all.
Alaksan ng katapat yan.
Die. This is gonna be
Ang black and white bro. Maday.
Uy!
Anyone is wondering?
Be alive, my guy.
Reload.
Buhayin
Alright,
natin yung
let's keep
pro.
moving. Unless Nick wants to
Ang
stop
isang
and
tanong,
take a
mamamatay
bath.
tayo dyan, ah.
Yan, hindi mamamatay dyan, pre.
May charger. Ayoko baba. Mamatay ka dyan, pre.
Alright, sino ba yung buong buhay?
Ay, ka lang.
Ay, galing mo, diba?
Uy,
Oh my god.
uy, bit lang. Dinala ako. Dinala ako, uy.
Aray ko.
God damn.
Aray ko. Advance na ba?
Palag pa to.
Man, if you would have told me a year ago,
Right.
I'd be driving around. Let's hurry, man.
Kaya. Ano
Bilis
makina na.
Agree agad.
Let's get up to that street.
Spike pa ako pag versus to eh. Pero
Ayun na, rambutan na to. Wala nang pake.
wala na. All out na to. Naka-beast mode na to. Naga naman.
Hey, can somebody wait up? I gotta heal.
Nakakain natin to. Hinili.
Diba? Ay, putik ko away! Ay, boy.
Nagpala ako kaya pala tinamaan.
Ay,
Not me.
sabi ko na nga ba, magaling bumaril ka.
Yun.
Yun na.
Ay, kapap na ni.
Wait lang, papalain ko yan.
Siguro,
Yung.
natapilok.
Pinala. Pinagpala.
Pinagpala. Yan yung pre. Sana tayo.
Uy, ginala.
Oo. Kinuha. Nila pa naman si...
Hinila pa naman yung ano ko. Saan?
Stop that shit.
Gulo puta.
Taas lang tayo mo. Nice one. Dito yung bitato.
Settle down, boy. You shot me.
Streets all clear up.
Parang tambay sa com shop eh. Let's go, Mr. Assassin guy.
Uy, gawin ko lang ako tumalon yung
Nagpa-parkour.
Through this building.
Pwede pala dito.
Nice. Parkour, man.
Weapons over here. Up the stairs.
Paano siya rin? Ito, tingnan mo. Parkour, man. Sa ating street.
Uy, nahatak ko.
Wow. Tagnet lang daw.
Grabe.
Bilis kasi.
May dala ng gas niya.
Tools in the jazz club.
Magpapakarga men.
Reloading.
Okay. Kami dala ng gas spray.
Babato ko, boy.
Watch out!
Uy, eto.
Mahal na ba ang ano ngayon? Ang gas? Ay,
Ganyan, boy, yun.
do the
Crowning.
honors.
I-crown to.
Nice one. That
Successful.
was, yes sir. You came it. You
Nice.
came out.
That's what pro people do.
You did it.
73% successful.
Yes. You said you successfully.
Guns here.
You
This'll
failed
take us
successfully.
under the river.
Yes.
Damn right. Gonna take everything I can.
Baby, lapit ka sa akin. Nawawala ka na naman eh.
Kira ulo ka talaga.
I hear a hunter.
Ay! Ay! No way!
What the?
They got my redneck.
Protect your baby.
Baby! Ang ginagawa mo dyan. Tayo pa na naman. I'm your daddy,
Protect the
right?
girl.
Baby girl.
Tatampugaw.
Oh, look at that ass, bro. Look at that ass. Look at that ass.
Cover me.
Look at that ass. Look at that ass.
Oh yeah, that's
And sniff it.
Yes, sir.
No, just kidding. Damn, bro, you're freaky.
Wait lang. Mukhang kiklip ko yata yun. Naka-record pa naman.
Nakarecord ka?
Yes, sir. Add kita sa ano? Sa YouTube video.
Okay.
Burning shit coming!
Oh man, oh, aring ko.
Alright.
Well, I'll protect you now.
You got the acid reflux. Nice burn. Crispy. Hey baby girl, baka masunog din yan. Hindi ako ma-overcook ka. You good, man?
I'm reloading.
Wait.
Yung
Gagi, pre.
katana.
Nanigas yata siya.
Don't know why.
Go,
I
go,
was
go,
thinking
go.
there'd be some rides here.
Gagi, naglag nga yan.
Wait a second. I gotta heal.
Ay, kala ko.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Kala ko na-stroke na si Nick.
Oh, phase 2 has rides.
No,
Hindi, may tinignan ako.
Ayaw.
Let's get out these stairs.
Pero, possible din, baka maganda ko.
Don't get left behind.
Diba?
Wait lang.
Isa natin.
Teka.
What the?
No way! Oh!
Ay, nahulog. Ay, nahulog. Okay, talo na rin.
Galit, talo na.
Any one of us gets pounced, we're gonna be fully
Wait lang.
Ang dami. Ito talaga yung passing leader. Eh. Let's go, Mr. Redneck. Redneck. That, the hogwash.
Oh, where's your shot? The buffer.
Hey,
the fuck?
baby girl! Where are you going?
Your
now?
baby girl is in trouble.
Hey, baby girl, let's go. Come here.
Go up.
Hey,
Go,
Dito,
go,
sa kabila,
Rocket
kabila,
League.
kabila.
Pasig River talaga to eh. Hirap. Puting. Oy! This my baby
Baby
girl!
girl.
Baby girl! I got you, baby girl.
healing.
Pag hinata ka, lagi mo lang ako iisipin. Always think of me.
Everybody grab a weapon.
Hey, yo.
Shit, we gotta hit that button.
Time to heal up, Coach.
Hold on, y'all.
Okay.
I gotta heal.
Sayin ko muna
Wala,
sa
bro.
sarili ko. At sikip.
Sinabihan ka na ng baby mo. Mag-heal ka na daw.
Ah, yes,
All right,
thank you,
now,
baby
you
girl.
in charge.
Thank you for concern.
Hunter,
Lapit ka sa akin.
I hit it.
Ayoko nang binubugtid ka.
Take the water, everybody.
Let's go!
Don't stop in the sewer.
Go, bros.
Dito daw yung ano, Teenage Mutant. Tara, hanapin natin sila.
Thank God.
Reloading.
Everybody ready?
Ito yung Ninja Turtles, guys.
Let's go! Konting lakad na lang yan. At diba? Isang tulay
Hey,
pa.
baby girl. She's
Ay, baby girl! Baby
behind
girl!
you.
Baby girl! No. Sakit dito ko. Hey, come here.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Umikot pa talaga. Lagi tayo tapo.
Watch out!
Kaya naiwan na yung ano. Baby girl, ano ba ginagawa mo? Nakap na talaga ako. Baby girl, ah. Ako is na. Ang dami zombies, ah. Diba? Oh, ay, sorry. Thank you, ma'am. Wala na, break up na kami.
Ayaw mo na.
Ayoko na, break up na kami ni baby girl. Bagal
Gulo.
yan.
Aray, aray ko.
Go, go.
Hinahatak niya na ako pababa. Wake up na ka.
Come on, people. Don't stand around. Let's go.
Bako na. Oh boy.
Yes, sir.
Reloading.
I'm a reload.
Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Ay, gagi. Sabi ko na nga ba, ikaw talaga eh. Ay, gagi. Ikaw talaga. Fucking shit.
Hell no, boy.
Gagi.
Don't you be shooting me. And you
God
shoot
damn.
and
Hey,
getting
there's
some
a
help.
dry safe room up here.
Para sa isang nun.
No, no, no. I got it. Close the door.
Yes, sir. Ano, mga pangilang games ka pa, pre?
Patapos na ba doon? Tapos na ba?
Patapos na. Part 3 na eh.
Putik magka-alas 2 na. Last na to. Magka-alas 2 na pala.
Tingnan ko naka-record pa. Ay, naka-record.
Hindi masasayang yung ano.
Ulit ako, may pumasok yung ano eh. Sama ko eh. Pumasok ko sa Hindi ko alam na. Pwede pala yun. Okay, okay. Thank you, man.
Alice,
Oh, you gotta heal.
where are you gonna
Yes,
take
sir.
Zoe on your
I
first
got you always, bro.
It's the zombie apocalypse.
shit.
First dating days are over. Nick, by the way, I'm
Last-
about to borrow
last
your
game mo na
suit
to,
because
Hakdo.
we're skipping right to the marriage, brother.
Last game na.
And we are going
Last
across
game niya na
the-
daw.
Just
Last
her,
game niya na ni
me.
Hotdog.
Oh, sige, sige.
Tapos,
Sige.
bilis na. Siyempre. Protect.
Naka-discord ba kayo? Naka-call kayo?
Discord kami.
Oh.
You made it. Now you just need to fill the generator and we can raise the bridge.
Babae.
Let me look at Zoe, bro. She's fine.
Man, listen.
Oh, man.
Thanks for the help. And when the bridge is down, you're
Tingnan
more
mo.
than welcome to
Si
come
Zoe,
with
oh.
us.
Hoy, ba't mo
I
ni-snub
don't
si
think that
Zoe?
would work.
Hell,
Naku,
we can
nadyanan.
even leave Alice behind to make room for y'all.
Ina,
Hey,
fine
what?
seat.
Fine,
Thanks.
isa siyang body.
Sounds good, but I think we're
Fine
gonna stay on
style.
our own.
Fine
All
seat.
right.
Rochelle or Zoe?
Y'all keep safe
both.
now.
Rochelle or Zoe?
I'll take two.
I'm
By
gonna kill it.
by
Can I
one
get
take.
her honor?
Take one.
And I'm gonna name it after her.
Who?
Buy one take pa lang.
Oh, damn. No way.
I hear a charger.
Let's
Don't get
Oh, it
charged.
worked!
Okay, let's get to work. Wait,
Pro player!
wait, ano nangyari? Sorry. Okay.
Damn. Huwag nyo na muna connected yung mga gas.
Na-skip ko.
Connected yung mga gas, ah.
Wait lang, hindi ko alam pa saan yung location. Pero okay.
Hey, no way. It actually worked, bro.
No way. I just caught that on camera, man.
Bro, we're pro.
Ano yung gas?
Sabi ko na nga sa inyo, Master Assassin yan, pre. Ni-speedrun niya na nga lang, oh. Tapos tayo,
Dire-diretso.
pain na lang tayo, pre.
Ay, gago.
Hindi na.
Got it.
Wait lang, kuha kaya tayo ng gas. Parang lahat-lahat
May gas?
lang yata. Parang
May
lahat
gas?
lang yata. Ay, hindi pala. Ano lang pala. Oh, sige.
16 lahat yun, ah.
16 na. 16. Oh, huwag ka magpabugbog. Ako dapat mambubog.
Ito, gas,
Ay, hindi
oh.
pala. Ako pala magmahal. Dami ni gasolina. Ay, ito lang. Ito. Jackpot. We got the oil. We are American. True American. Wait, oil ba to? Ayan, gas pa.
I got this one.
Lumay na yun nandito, ah.
Okay. Speedrun na. So,
I got this one.
Gamit sa'yo, pre.
Yotcha na.
Diba, kulang na natin sa sakyan.
Sakyan na lang, boy. Generator.
I got a
May daan pala dito.
Grabe, 16 cans sa isang generator.
Oo. Ang realistic nga eh.
Parang dinaig niya pa yung sasakyan.
At isa nga lang eh, okay na eh.
Pwede na eh. Ba't parang 15 pa? Bakit?
Diba? Para namang papaganahin yung buong ano, buong 16 cans, what the fuck?
Parang ano na eh, pwede na magpasko ng ano yun, ng lights sa buong syudad na to.
Ano eh.
Yung generator lang katapat ka.
Look out!
Let's go. Where are you going, Hackdog? Hackdog. Hey, Hackdog. Grabe na, pre.
Got it.
Pakita mo gano'n ka bumarel. At diba, sakit?
Damn it, stop shooting!
Magaling nga bumarel.
Hey, bro. So professional, bro. I saw it firsthand.
He's hitman. Miski zombie sa tao, pinapatay niya. Ay, gano'n.
Naglalag yung ano. Zombie.
Yung zombies nag-froze. Nag-froze yung zombie sa tuktok ng ano, ng ulo.
I got one.
Nalito din ako eh. Ba't bumagal bigla?
So, ganito ba yung advance na ano, lumilipad yung zombies?
Filling the generator.
One more in the Jenny.
Ay, gagi.
Ay, teka, naman si Chris
Ano ba?
Angel.
Wait lang
Yan
ba?
na ba?
Wait, hindi ko nga alam eh. Parang, tara balik tayo kay Master.
2, 5, 5, 6, 11 eh.
Ay, 11 pa lang.
11. Nandito.
Kulang pa. Kailangan pa na isang drum.
I got it. Got a can.
Hey! That's professional, man.
Got it. I got it.
Gag! Nangyari? Nangyari? What the
Wala ka.
Thanks.
Ano?
nangyari?
Ano ba?
Aray ko. Aray ko.
Oh, hellfire, bro.
Parang ayun lang yat. Naglawa sa isang
All of the work for nothing.
1
Back to
second.
one. Back to one.
5 minutes
Got
of
it.
5 minutes of hard work.
Back to one.
3 seconds of suffering. Aray ko.
That's fine, guys. We have to do it all over again.
Yes, yes. Kung sinong bumaril nun,
Magaling yung bar. Hantik na yan.
magaling bumaril yun.
Sisyphus, bro. We're like Sisyphus.
Yes, the endless suffering.
Taking the road.
I got this can.
Eh, baby girl, pwede ikaw na lang bumit-bit nito. Para batiin na tayo. O sige, tignan mo na ako.
Kaya nga tumulong, putok na yan eh.
Sexy daw siya eh.
Pour in the can.
O sige, baby girl, bantayan mo lang to ha. Huwag mong babarinin to. Iwanan ka namin.
We got guns.
Gaginawan.
Got
Anyari?
it.
Ba't sumabog?
Ewan ko na. Guto sa umaapoy lumiliyab na eh.
Hindi ko alam kung yung game director
Send na
to.
lang ulit. Ay,
I got a can.
Zoe, baka ikaw yung bumaril ha.
Ammo up here.
Hindi ka rin nun. Ayoko na.
Sasabihin mo, bahala kayo dyan. Okay. Let's go. Ay, drugs.
yes, please.
Drugs. Ito
Hey,
na
got a
naman
can.
yung ano,
I got this can.
ito yung injection. Nerve bulging drugs. Okay. All goods. Wait, bilangin ko lang. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Lolo.
10. 10. Okay. Teamwork is the dream work.
I got it.
After Christmas, magla-live ka ulit, pre? Or, ano?
Hindi ko
After
nga
New
alam eh. May nakasikaso akong video kasi.
Ah. Ano yun? Shorts?
I-edit ako.
Nice.
Hindi, video talaga.
Ay, one full video.
Mahaba nga ano, nasa 14 minutes siya.
Medyo mama. Minsan gumagamit ako AI, pero wala eh. May watermark eh. Hindi rin pwede.
Ng ano?
Yung AI, medyo hindi siya, ano, ganun kaganda. Panagkiklik.
AI, what the fuck, no? Hindi, joke lang.
Yes. Ano,
Hindi, joke lang, bro.
AI sucks.
Guns right here.
Yeah, bro.
Yes.
Pinamamahal yung mga PC parts.
Tumoble.
Ilan. Sakto pa sa Pasko, putang tingnan kung kailan mag-ano pa yung mga tao. Mag-upgrade.
That's crazy, man. Kaya ginagmahal talaga yung PC parts niya, eh. No? Hindi malilit. Pizza na lang mo na maglaro, eh.
16 na ata. Okay, start ko, tapos
Jump.
film mo. Okay?
Jackpot. Yes, sir.
Go, 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 go.
Ano pa mo rin ito? Huy! Nababaril!
Filling the generator.
I got this one. Filling the generator. Pouring the can. Down. Still need 5 more. We ain't got time for this. Get up.
Here you go.
Got it. Pouring the can.
Heads up.
Filling the generator.
Here you go.
Just leave 'em. Got a
Like
can.
this.